you guys? It's your girl Molly. In today's video, it's another wig tutorial. So today's video, I'm just showing you guys the new wig that I got from Amazon. It is 24 inches, and obviously you guys, this wig is one of the best wig that I have gotten on Amazon. It is full, it's bouncy, it doesn't shed. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I prep the wig and everything and how it looks on my head after I install it at the end. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So here is the wig. Oh my god, you guys could already tell this wig is freaking pretty. So yeah, so I'm just showing you guys the wig. I'm gonna have the link in the description below, so you guys could purchase it if you guys want. So here I'm just showing you guys the knots, the front, and everything.
Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I...
Okay, so here in the next section, I'm just gonna make the bleaching consistency. And like always, I am using my BW2 and my 30 volume developer, and I am making the consistency like toothpaste, like I tell you guys in all of my other videos. You don't want to make the consistency too thick, and you don't want to make it too watery so that you don't over bleach your knots.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah.
So y'all see that consistency right there? That's the one that you want. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the bleach onto the knots. But first I'm just gonna spray the front of the wig so that if there is any hair, I don't want it to get caught up into the bleach. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna apply the bleach, not with too much pressure, because I don't want it to go through the knots. Okay?
Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Gotta go, I fly away to a new space, you know.
So after checking it and make sure everything is good, I'm gonna rinse it off and wash the wig and condition it with my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. You guys can use any shampoo or conditioner that you want, but this is what I have at hand and this is what I'm gonna use.
Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes
the shredding that I got. Okay, so here in the next clip, I'm just gonna start by plucking the wig. So the way I pluck really is just like up to my liking. So I'm putting it on my thigh because when I have it on my thigh, you could kind of see how it's gonna look like on your head, just because it's on your skin. So that's why it's there instead of on my mannequin head, but you could just do whatever you pleases. So I'm gonna part it because I'm gonna wear it half. I'm gonna do it half and half. Um, I'm just gonna part it, pluck it, part it, pluck it, and when I'm plucking, I'm just dragging my hand and not ripping it off the scalp. That's how I do it. You could do it however you want, but that's what I do. And yep, that's about it. That's what I'm doing.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay.
And also, if you don't have a good tweezer, get you a good tweezer from Amazon. Like these little tweezers, they're really, really good. Don't use a cheap tweezer to pluck your wig, okay? It will make a big difference. Thank me later.
Even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I change it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay.
So this is how one side is looking like after it's plucked. And after plucking it, this is the amount of hair that I removed. And then I'm just going to comb the hair, give it a good little comb. And then after that, I'm going to blow dry it. Y'all see the hair? Ooh, pretty. Okay, so here is the part where we get our wig flat. So I am in my kitchen because my hot comb does not plug into an outlet, so I'm using my stove. So you want to part it and comb it, part it and comb it. Like you want to do it by section when you hot combing it. This is what's going to get your wig to be flat, okay?
Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go.
Okay, so here I'm done with one side, and you guys could really tell the difference. You could see how flat one side is from the other. Then next, to lay any flyaways, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my ebony spray, but mostly spraying it on my hand and then just wiping my hand across the wig. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my my foam and just putting it all over the hair just to help the curls pop a little better. Okay, so that's it, you guys, for the video. Let me know if you watched the video all the way through the end, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.